Hi friends, welcome back to Practotech. Hope all are doing good. Today I am going to show you how to make a aerosol spray gun using few hand-picked items which are available at home. This experiment demands only three simple things, of which one is a disposable syringe without its surgical needle, a food grade silicone straw which can fit well into the adapter of the syringe barrel, and an aerosol spray can which could dispense aerosol mist of liquid particles. I have a food grade silicone straw here and I am going to fix this into the adapter of the syringe barrel. Make sure that there is no room for air to escape between straw and the syringe, since the pressurized air has to pass through the syringe from the straw without any pressure drop. Now we'll push the plunger into the syringe barrel. Another important item required to conduct this experiment is an aerosol spray can. And now we'll connect the aerosol spray can to the syringe barrel by bridging orifice insert tube to the straw like this. The plunger is loaded and ready to shoot now. We'll see how stuff the whole thing works. All actions performed in this video are in safe place and done after regular study and safe practice. Please note that this experiment is not at all advisable for kids, since many aerosol spray contains highly toxic chemicals like xylene and formaldehyde, which are extremely hazardous. Avoid skin and eye contact with chemicals, and so wear glasses and mask to minimize all chemical exposures. Well, we'll start the experiment now with full confidence, following all the safety norms. Oh. Since the product is liquid at room temperature, it is simply poured in before the can is sealed under high pressure. So, the air inside the top of the bottle is at high pressure. When we press down the button, the valve opens and the pressure on the liquid propellant is instantly reduced. With less pressure, it can begin to boil. Particles break free, forming a gas layer at the top of the can. This pressurized gas layer pushes the liquid product as well as some of the liquid propellant up to the tube to the nozzle. When the liquid flows through the nozzle, the propellant rapidly expands into gas. Now we'll try only with the plunger seal. When the pressurized air from the aerosol spray can passes through the syringe without any pressure drop, the syringe picks up the power of compressed gas and forces the plunger to shoot in the desired direction. Hi guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the auto updates. Thank you.